Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook business page here in Meta Business Suite. So let's get started. So here we are in Meta Business Suite, and by the way, if you don't know how to get here, you want to go here into Google and simply type Meta Business Suite, and from here you could have this first result right here, and you want to click on this one and you will be prompted right here. And first of all, you want to make sure that you are logged in into your Facebook account, your personal Facebook. So on facebook.com, you want to log in right here. So make sure you are logged in right here. Just like this one, I already have my account. So once you're done with this, then you could just go here on Meta Business Suite and you will have this. And what you want to do from here first is that you want to go click here on this drop icon arrow. And from here, you can have this create a business account option. So you want to create a business account right here, and you want to put your business account name right here. And as you can see, I have my past business account right here. So let's say our account name would be Meta Tutorial, just like that. And from here, the first name or enter your full name and business email to become a business admin and so on. So let's just go for, like, since I am the owner of this, so I'm gonna enter my name. So Kyle, just like that. And from here, you want to go into entering the business email. So you can just create an email for this so that the business related matters will be sent to this email. So let's just say we'll just go for Meta Tutorial at gmail.com, just like that. And you want to click here on create. And you just want to wait for a bit and let it load, just like that. And just wait, it's gonna take quite some time. And after that, it's already done. So I'm now here. So you wanna skip this if you don't have anything to do with that. So from here in add another person by email. So from here, you can already add an person right here. So you could add a person by entering their email address. So if you want to, you can just go and add here. So for example, I'll just go and add this guy right here. And after that, you can set the role right here. You want him to be a business admin or an employee, it's up to you. But business admin would provide this person have full control of the business account. So from here, if you have decided that this is the role, then you could just go and next right here. And don't worry if this is the only guy that you have added here, because we can add more later. So you can edit this account details later and so on. So you want to hit and confirm. And from here, let's just wait for it. And as you can see, it is now right here. So what we're going to do is go into this account right here, click on your account, your newly created business account. Let's go and click on it, or click here on settings, because since we can't click on that name. And now that we are here, what we're going to do is go here on business account info. And you can see all of this right here. So the business asset, you can add a business asset right here. So you can add profiles like Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, or assets like metapixels and catalogs. So go here in business assets. And from here, you can actually see the pages right here, and you can even add a page right here. So maybe you're adding another page, or you have multiple page planned for this business account. Then you can click here on create a new Facebook page, and you just simply provide a page name, and these are the process right here. So let's say tutorial, meta right there, and category and bio and so on. But we're gonna go and here, so let's just go for artist, maybe video game artist, just like that, and your bio, blah blah blah. And let's go next. And from here, you want to confirm, and I agree. And after that, it will be create page, and the name tutorial meta is invalid. We have suggested tutorial meta, so that's just fine for me. But if you're not fine with that, then you could just go back and you could just simply go and modify this just like that, so that it will be unique. And from here, agree again and create page, and the name tutorial meta X is invalid. We have suggested, so let's just put this one, so that copy paste and then go back and put this right here. So I guess Facebook Meta is not allowing when it is all caps. So I agree and create page, and it should be done. Let's just wait for it to load. It's getting quite some time when it is creating a page right here. So now it is done, and you want to hit on done, and as you can see, you can already see your page right here, and you can modify this page if you want to right now, but we're not gonna dig into here. So you also have your ad accounts right here. So you want to have an ad accounts for you to have your ads here on Facebook and actually earn from it. Or you could also have your Instagram accounts right here. So if you want to add your Instagram account to connect it, your Facebook page or your business account will be connected to an Instagram account. In that way, you can reach more people through two platforms, or Facebook and Instagram, and they could also be convenient for your clients or your audiences to reach out to you because you're both available in Facebook and Instagram. So you can add an Instagram account by clicking on this button, add Instagram accounts, and I agree, claim Instagram account right here, and you will just need to provide some details right here. So I'm not gonna go through into that because you can just do it on your own simply by just clicking on that button. And now you can go here on more, and you have a lot here. So you can even add a WhatsApp account, your pixels. Right here, this is very important, especially when you are on Shopify and you want to add Facebook pixels so that you can manage or see your data. And that is very important, this pixels right here. And you can add here email accounts and so on right here. And yeah, I guess this is it for the Meta business assets. And now we'll go into people. Just like I said earlier, you don't have to worry that you only added one person when you first created this account, because you can add here, right here, you can search by name or ID. You can just input their name or ID right here, and you can add the people, and you can just go and edit the role right here. So you can just do that right here. And as you can see, invitation sent. So all they have to do is just accept an invitation, and they could have this right here, and they could have the role. And now for the odd partnerships right here, you could have this right here if you have partners. So you can read this notice right here, but we're not gonna dig into this because this is just a simple tutorial for beginners. So here on business settings, you want to go here, and it's gonna open a new tab right here. So from here again, you can just go here in people, and you can add it again here, and you can just simply edit the roles right here. And now let's just go here on accounts. I guess this is just basically the same as when we are here. They are basically the same options right here. So that's basically it on just setting up your Meta Facebook business page right here. And that's basically it on how you can create a Facebook business page and how you can set it up for beginners. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.